Innovation is the enlightenment of exploration, the source of development and the key to breaking through the predicament.
Zhuangli Electrical Appliances Company is an enterprise that integrates R&D, production, and sales. Professional in manufacturing commercial ice machines and commercial refrigerators. Now, Zhuangli Group is running 3 major brands: Zhuangli, Snooker, and Ctoria 3 production and R&D bases located in Shanghai, Suzhou, and Suzhou. Zhuangli is committed to using higher quality standards to lead the international refrigeration industry. Zhuangli taking talents as the cornerstone and pursuing development through innovation. Our core R&D members possesses rich industry experience and skills, professional writing the industry standards, use technology to build core barriers in the industry. 3 production and R&D bases, 6 independent workshops, 60,000 square meters building new standards for factories in the refrigeration industry. Innovation first, quality as the fundamental. Zhuangli ensure the source control of quality, continuously bringing the first-class production line equipment within the industry. Manufacturing commercial ice machines and commercial refrigerators in an efficient, automated, and precise production method. Ensure the highest level of product quality and performance while meeting the needs of large-scale production. Bring extraordinary quality experience to customers through continuous improvement in production. With the power of innovation, we continuously driving the product's upgrade and iterations, meeting multiple usage scenarios and needs. Over the years, Zhuangli achieved good sales results repeatedly and continuous brilliance, forming a sales network of product experience centers covering large and medium-sized cities worldwide. Zhuangli has established long-term cooperative development relationships with multiple well-known domestic and foreign enterprises. 2 hours rapid response, 24 hours problem solving, 3 years warranty, pure quality appreciation is the commitment to our customers. We conduct in-depth market research, collect and analyze the market demand, launch products suitable for current mainstream fields, practice the concept of energy conservation and environmental protection, meet the needs of such as tea drinks, coffee chains, restaurants, supermarkets, star hotels, etc., various commercial kitchen scenes, leading change with innovation, achieving dreams with quality. Zhuangli, looking forward to working with you to create a new blueprint for the refrigeration industry.